Hello everyone, welcome to week 7. In this PowerPoint, I'm just going to do a quick explanation on what you're going to do for your research organization project, which is going to be due in 2 weeks. So the first thing you need to do is you need to choose a social justice topic, women's rights, LGBTQ, Aboriginal rights, poverty, whatever it is. Maybe clear it with me first, just so I have a sense of what you're doing. Then you need to find an organization that deals with this topic. There's this lovely site, it's called Charity Navigator. It doesn't have necessarily every organization out there, but it'll give you a sense based on categories to kind of help you figure out what organization you want to do. So there are 10 pieces of information you need to find. First one is the mission and motto of the organization, should be literally on their front page. The history of the organization. This includes when did it start? What are some changes? Were there any protests, laws that they helped change? Some of this, if it's a big organization, there'll be lots of information, but if it's a smaller one, you might only find the date in which it began. So how does it actually deal with the social injustice? So if it's a organization that deals with animal rights, how does it actually combat dealing with advocating for animals? So I want you to talk about that. Also, how effective is it? This is your own opinion. Thinking, okay, is it actually effective or is it not? Is it not doing enough? Requirements needed to apply for the organization. So how do you actually sign up? Is there like a little place? How to contact the organization? Number 5 and 6 are very similar. You could probably put them on one slide. And 5 interesting facts about the organization. Next, what you're going to do is just, the last part is kind of its own separate entity. You're just telling me what social injustice are you looking into? Why do you feel this is important? This is your own opinion. Why do you think that this topic is important to you? And number 10 is looking at your organization and what are some things that you think are missing from this organization? Is there anything else that it can be doing? Number 9 and number 10, I want you to do in full sentences. So once you have gathered all the information, I want you to make a PowerPoint or Prezi on those 10 points. Remember not to crowd your slides and also add pictures. So make sure everything is in point form unless I tell you to, so that you're not copying things and plagiarizing. Yeah, so then what you're going to do is you are going to present it to me. Now, obviously we can't do this in front of a class, so there's 2 ways in which you can do this. The first one is you can record yourself presenting your PowerPoint and just email it to me. Or you can choose a time during the week and present it to me over Zoom. Now it has to be during like school hours, so it has to be between 9 and 3, unless for whatever reason under extenuating circumstances like you work every single day, just because I want to be able to do this during school hours and not do this at like 8 p.m. So if you want to go the recording, so in the same way that I'm doing it right now, you basically go under slideshow and there's a little button that says record slideshow, and it'll take you to a page and you literally record every single slide of your PowerPoint and you just talk over top of it. It's super user friendly. Then if you are trying to export your PowerPoint, make it into a video, you basically go under File, Export, Create a Video, so you can just send it as a video, or you can send it as the PowerPoint and the video hopefully should be embedded, or the audio recording embedded into your PowerPoint. I don't really recommend that one. I recommend making a video of it and sending it to me that way. I think the file will be much smaller, but if you're having issues like the file is too big, what you can do is you can create the video, put it onto, if you have like a YouTube channel or whatever, upload it onto there, make it private, and then send me the link. So that's a couple options. So hopefully you guys will be able to get through this, and I wish you guys all the best of luck for your research project. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.